We're back with Lulu, so we're going to get her started with the down, and I will tell you, this is not something, anytime you do the wrestling and tug of war and all that, it's going to make it more difficult to get one to go down, because that's the opposite of what they've been doing, which is jumping up and all that. So we do want, I've got my foot on there, good, but I don't want you to worry, we're going to get her doing it, but she's very, very resistant, good. You know, given a preference, she'd rather jump at you than go down, good. This is what you guys at home want to do. I've got my foot on there. I've got her where I want her to be, so I'm going to reward that. Good, good, good. This is setting a frame of reference. All right, so I'm just going to heel her around a little bit. Just going to walk right aside. Good. Good. Yo. Turn my pager on that turn right there. Keeping my leash loose. She's not making the leash tight at all. Heel. Turn her with the pager, not the leash. I'm going to avoid as much as possible pulling on that leash. All right, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure down. Good, 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 good. Down. I'm doing my page. Good, 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 good. And it's very, very crucial. And you got, we'll be past this point by the time she gets done. But that I immediately cue her with the good, 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 good. That was the right behavior. Even though down, even though she didn't get the treat right away. Good. Oh, she's a smart one though. This one. Lulu. This is how we're going to get her off leash, because I'm turning her right there with the pager, not the leash. Heel. You're always doing every communication with the leash. Well, you got problems when it's not there. Down. So I'm just good. Wonderful. Good. Good. Wonderful. 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 It's the same thing. I'm going to start my pager. Lulu. Very, very loose. Go back to the same spot where I just had success. Down. Oh, good, good. So I'm doing the pager as I say. Down. Good, 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 good. One more time. Very loose. That's my same spot. Lower my leash down. Perfect. Girl. Right, then it's here. Up through. Well, remember the umbrella over everything. Once we get her down and good, then we can start working on off leash doing. But the umbrella over everything needs to be, I can make you come to me. Not, you know, just run off. Right guys, more updates.